So to be fair, this has been a quick little day out, to be fair. So I did like a tiny little loop in Brighouse. Literally got off by the vet, and they were all in there for 5 minutes. I was like, oh god. So I might as well just do my little loop what I'm on. And I was like, oh well, do you want us to pick you up? And I'm like, what if I just went home on the bus? I was like, well, when there's all the school kids and all people going berserk and crazy, and I was like, oh yeah, I'll just come meet you. So that's what I'm doing. Literally, the station is literally up the road here, and I need to turn left to go back up to the vets. On a map it doesn't look very big, but when they give you 5 minutes to do it, it ain't doable. So I'm kind of walking in a bit of a hurry, to be fair, to just meet up with them. And it is unbelievably busy. So yeah, getting the bus would not be a wise idea when it's like filled with like 300 school kids at just one stop, and you've got like loads of stops. It's not wise as such. What's that? See, this is the thing, you come here and you see what's what. What's that say? Royd Cafe. Oh, literally, just there. Oh, how nice. You see things when you go exploring. Nice. I don't think it's up. It's obviously not open, but I think it's been shut for a while. I said our work going to be too long. Well, I don't think I'm being too long, am I? Yeah. I think because I've filmed so little in a short amount of time is to make what I've got out of footage. So I've got this, and I'm like, I can use it for like video purpose only, or like, and have it as a vlog as well. And I've got snippets as well. Oh boy, did not have very long for a day out in Brighouse at all. So I'm going to wrap the video up. I'm just going to try spot the station, and then I need to head up the hill back towards the vets. Wow, look at this car here, Citroen 2CV. Oh yeah, nice. So I'm going to stop recording. I'm going to make my way along here, turn left. I kind of wanted to do a bit of a day out as well today, but it didn't happen. It's still pretty warm, so that didn't happen. But it's going to be a lot cooler tomorrow, but I'm in work. Anyway, thanks for watching for now, and goodbye.